Have you ever had a moment where your mind was ready for intimacy, but your body didn't follow through? For many men over 50, performance becomes slower, weaker, or less reliable. But here's the truth. Your body is still capable of strength and vitality. It just needs better circulation. I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley, and today I'll share 7 powerful foods that boost circulation, support firmer erections, and restore energy. These are natural, safe, and easy to add to your diet. Stay with me until the end, because when you see how all 7 work together, you'll understand how to build a foundation for stronger blood flow and confidence. Food number 1: beets. Beets are rich in nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide, the key compound that relaxes blood vessels and improves blood flow. Think of it as your body's natural performance enhancer. Roasted, juiced, or tossed in a salad, beets are simple circulation boosters. Food number 2: spinach and leafy greens. Spinach and other greens like kale and arugula are loaded with magnesium, which relaxes arteries and keeps blood flowing smoothly. Most men are low in magnesium without knowing it, so a daily handful of greens can make a big difference. Food number 3: fatty fish. Fatty fish such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel provide omega-3 fatty acids. These keep blood thin, arteries flexible, and reduce inflammation, one of the hidden enemies of circulation. Just 2 to 3 servings a week can noticeably improve stamina and blood flow. Food number 4: dark chocolate. High-quality dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or more, is rich in flavonoids that help blood vessels relax and make nitric oxide more effective. A small square can feel like a treat while quietly supporting your performance. Food number 5: citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are packed with vitamin C. This vitamin not only boosts nitric oxide, but also protects blood vessel walls from damage, keeping them flexible. A glass of lemon water or an orange at breakfast is simple fuel for circulation. Food number 6: cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, which relaxes blood vessels and lowers blood pressure. That gentle warmth you feel after eating spicy food? That's circulation improving in real time. A small pinch added to meals can help keep blood flowing strong. Food number 7: walnuts. Walnuts are rich in arginine, an amino acid that helps produce nitric oxide. They also provide omega-3s and antioxidants that protect blood vessels. Just a handful a day strengthens circulation and supports firmness naturally. Each of these 7 foods works in its own way. Beets for nitric oxide, spinach for magnesium, fish for omega-3s, dark chocolate for flavonoids, citrus for vitamin C, cayenne for blood flow, and walnuts for arginine. Together, they build a powerful foundation for stronger circulation, more stamina, and more confidence. Remember, it's not about age, it's about circulation. And circulation starts with the choices you make every day on your plate.